14 Creative Kids Bathroom Decor Ideas. This whimsical flamingo stencil brings a touch of playfulness to this fresh gray and aqua kids bathroom featured on Dwellings by Decor. Rustic coastal meets vintage industrial in this one-of-a-kind nautical-themed kids bathroom spotted on the Project Girl. Want to display your little one's art somewhere it can be properly appreciated? This bright and colorful gallery bathroom, created by Pencil Shaving Studio, is the perfect place to take in a mini masterpiece or two. Try mixing your kiddos' favorite drawings with a few colorful prints for an extra eye-catching gallery. A hot pink vanity set against bold black and white patterned wallpaper makes this fun and feminine bathroom by color-drunk designs really pop. Elegant details, like the mirrored wall sconces, monogrammed hand towels, and a delicate chandelier add the perfect touch of glam, creating a look that'll last your daughter well into teen territory. This beautiful black, white, and rose-colored bathroom designed by Michelle Williams Interiors features black chalkboard walls adorned with colorful kid doodles and helpful reminders from mom. Too cute. Under the sink storage is helpful, but those big, open cabinets can come up short in the organization department. Need a better solution? Scalloped wall tile wainscoting brings this beautiful yellow and aqua kids guest bathroom from lovely indeed to life, hinting at a whimsical mermaid theme without seeming overly childish. This built-in step stool, cleverly disguised as an ordinary vanity drawer, will give your little one a leg up at the sink, making it easier to get ready for the day. You can even convert it to a regular storage drawer when child no longer needs the boost. This adorable kid-friendly space by Claire Gaskin combines modern fixtures and striking blue accents with a soft, nautical-inspired wallpaper print featuring playful doodles of ships and sea life. Bold pattern and striking color bring life and energy to this stylish kids bathroom designed by Kimberly Handler. With its heavy frame and bright yellow finish, the vanity mirror seems to pop off of the richly patterned walls, daring its sleepy little onlooker to wake up and shine. Some clever paintwork sets the scene for this kid-friendly, surfer-themed bathroom by Ventana Builds. We love the creation of the fun wave motif around the top of the ocean blue room. It's an easy and inexpensive way to make a splash in your little one's space. This ombre-washed, coastal-themed family bathroom, designed by PVA Development, boasts a second, kids-only wash station for the littlest members of the family, creating a functional shared space for all. This cute yet sophisticated bathroom by Maine Coastal Kitchen Designs holds its cheery nautical theme in check, relying on subtle details to create the overall effect. The adorable whale motif appeals to kids and adults alike, while the rich blue cabinets and clean white tile keep things chic and modern. This modern woodland-themed bathroom by Inspired Spaces mixes kid-friendly graphic prints and bold patterns to create a clean-cut yet visually stimulating space. The rich hunter green painted vanity, the room's only colored feature, makes a mood-enhancing statement, bringing deep green forests to mind. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.